As you know, this is very difficult. Especially when Mr. Sneeze may sneeze at any moment.
The Jack of Hearts?
No, please, Mr. Sneeze, you mustn't sneeze now. Not when Mr. Tickle is about to complete the tallest house of cards ever built in Mr. Land.
It's all right, Mr. Clever. I'm not going to sneeze after all.
And there it is, the last card, the ace of spades. Now, I'll take a photo.
Good thinking, Max. I knew that latex skull of yours would come in handy someday. Smells like someone's having a barbecue. Gesundheit?
That was fun.
Bongo, are you okay?
Never better. That tail sure is soft, but it sure tickles my nose.
Bless you! Well, I suppose I could come along to help you find Bieber. Just let me... Oh, dear. If you're sure, good luck, good luck. Oh, dear.
Flowers. Why did it have to be flowers? I'm allergic to flowers.
Oh, natural you. Yes, you gotta appreciate the lady.
Oh, nuts.